Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So, long-term project, huge wiring rescue, install rescue. It's finally leaving, hopefully tomorrow. Me and Chris from Garage Bagger Stereo have a joke that we go back and forth with. We see a lot of these beautiful bikes, he does and I do, and they look awesome on the outside, but what's under the skirt? Most of the time it's a nightmare. Not here. Looks great on the outside. Let me show you the inside. So we made her super clean, super pretty. Wire furls, heat shrink, test tape. Even the damn switch for the LEDs is nice. And under the skirt, look at that. DSP, bolted down, amplifiers bolted down, everything carpeted, all the wiring nice and neat. Fuses, easily accessible, and everything in the bike is fused. So it looks just as good on the inside as it does on the outside. And look at the quick disconnects for the amp on top. So those plugs are huge because that's 4-gauge wire that's able to be unplugged and serviced. Obviously this is a positive, that's a negative, that's a remote turn on. Serviceable. It still looks good.